Hi students, I wanted to make this video to show you how to make the proper heading in MLA format. So MLA stands for Modern Language Association, and most of your teachers in college are going to ask you to format your papers using MLA format. So let's check it out. Here is an example of a paper that's correctly formatted. As you can see in the upper left-hand corner, you have the first name and the last name, the name of the class. In this case, I'd like you to put ESOL 400 PACE because we are in the PACE learning community. Please put the name of the professor down there. Don't forget to spell my name correctly or I'm taking off points. It's M-R-A-Z. Check this out, the date goes next, but look at the format of the date. We're not going to use the numbers like 2/24/16. Instead, you're going to put the day here, and then you're going to write out the month, and then put the year. So please use this format. It's a little bit different than you're used to. All right, up here in the upper right-hand corner, you can see the page numbers. And what's Mohuche? Mohuche is the student's last name, as you can see. So you want to put your last name plus the page number. As you can see, every page, if I scroll down, will have the page number with the student's last name. So here's Mohuche 2, and then it's going to say Mohuche 3, etc. Don't forget to put a space between the last name and the number. So how do you get this up here? So let me show you. You're going to go to Insert, and then you're going to go to Page Number. Click on that. You want the page number at the top of the page, so click there. And then what type of numbering do you want? Do you want it on the left? Do you want it in the middle? Do you want it on the right-hand side? So you want it on the upper right. So you click on this, plain number 3, and you'll see the number 1 pops up. And then right now, you just type in your last name, space, and the number will automatically be there. And then you can just put close header and footer. And so if you scroll down, you'll see the page numbers will automatically be there for the rest of the pages. All right, the other thing you need to keep in mind is the title. And as you can see, this person's title is The Ultimate Sacrifice. Do you notice it's centered? The font is 12-point font. So you notice that everything is the same font size. I don't want to see something like this, super huge. I don't want to see this in red like this. I just want it normal, okay? There we go, just 12-point font. Don't put it in bold. Notice that there's not too much space between the heading and the title. So don't do something like this. And don't do something like this. That's too much space like that. So just keep it just one space and one space like this. The other thing you might notice about the title is that it's capitalized. The T is capitalized, the U is capitalized, and the S. So capitalize the first letter of every word. You don't have to capitalize small words like in, of, or the, unless, of course, it's the first word of the title. All right, other things to think about. You should have a 1-inch margin at the top, 1-inch margin on the left and on the right. Here, every paragraph should be indented. Indented means you need to go in 5 spaces. So originally it looks like that. You can just press Tab and it should automatically bring your paragraph in 5 spaces. Don't forget to double space here and double space, but between paragraphs, you don't need to put big spaces like that. You actually just do single space between the paragraphs. make sure when you double space, you go like this. Here, this icon, line and paragraph spacing, just set it to 2. Originally, it's probably like this, right? Single space, and then you move it to double space. Don't hit enter at the end of the line. If you go like this and hit enter, you're gonna run into some problems, so don't do that. All right, I think that's it for now. I might do another video later with some more MLA format for you, but hopefully that was helpful, and happy writing.